Did you know the Aztecs thought sneezing was basically a divine group chat notification? When you sneezed, they believed the gods were sliding into your DMs, like new message from Quetzalcoatl. They even had a sneeze ritual. You'd say Pax Pax, and the priest would do a dramatic sneeze soundtrack. Miss your sneeze ritual, you risk divine ghosting. Or worse, sneezing at the wrong shrine. Oops. If you sneezed mid-ceremony, that was code for gods in proximity. Cue ceremonial freakout. Want to avoid divine spam? They carried little charm bags to redirect those sneeze alerts. Sneezing while eating? Total fashion fail. They said the gods were stealing your snacks. Today, we just say bless you. Back then, they'd add you to the God group chat. Stay sneezy.